Welcome to Sujatha Kitchens. Today I am going to show you how to make simple spinach rice. Let's see the ingredients. 1 cup of cooked rice and 1 cup of spinach leaves, 1 cup of onion, green chili, oil, ginger garlic paste, salt and lemon juice. Now in hot water we are going to keep the spinach leaves. Just we need to cook for only 1 or 2 minutes. Just it should go the raw smell. Now look at here, the leaves were changed the color. Now we are going to drain the water completely. We need to cool it. Now look at here, the cooked spinach, it became too little. Now we are going to grind this spinach and the green chili. In a pan we are going to keep oil first. So oil is heated, we are going to add the mustard seeds and the cumin seeds. Next onion. Saute it for 2 minutes. Now we are going to add the ginger garlic paste. Our onions are brown. We are adding spinach and the green mirchi paste. Cook it for 2 minutes. Then afterwards we need to add the cooked rice. Now we are going to add salt. Once the spinach is cooked, we need to add the salt and the cooked rice. Now we mix the rice well. Going to add the lemon juice. Before switch offing the flame, you need to add the lemon juice. After adding lemon juice, you no need to cook the rice. Now our spinach rice is ready. We are taking in a serving bowl. And we need to garnish with little coriander, cilantro, and just try it and enjoy this. Please like, share and subscribe. Then click the bell button. So whenever we upload the new videos, you are going to get the notifications. బెల్ బటన్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే మేము ఎప్పుడు ఏ వీడియో అప్లోడ్ చేసినా మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తుంది.